What's going on, guys? I'm Cody Mountjoy. This is Happy Heels Cars and Stuff. And in this one, I'm going to be taking you guys along so you guys can see what a day in the life of an autocrosser is like. So what we're going to be doing in this video is what I'm going to be showing you the process of what I do. So basically that's the day before, afternoon, nightish. I prep the car, pack everything up. Sometimes I get a little bit lazy, just pack everything in the morning. But after that, I'm going to show you. Basically, it's going to be walking through the whole day. It's going to be me waking up, eating some breakfast, maybe getting some coffee, maybe an energy drink after I get some gas. I don't know, but I'm going to be walking you through that. The travel over to the autocross event, the whole day event. Autocrossing, prepping the car, like during runs, all that stuff. Watching other people run. I might not be able to record while I'm working, but let's get to it. As we move on further, do not mind how dirty it is in the wheel well, okay? It was raining, storming in Florida today, so I didn't get a chance to wash the car, but that is part of my process usually. So don't mind the dirtiness, all right? It's not usually this bad. Alright, now you guys might be thinking why I did it this way. This is adjusting my camber, and I may have gotten around to posting the video about how I adjust my camber with the ST suspension coilovers, that and the height in a prior video. If I haven't, it will be here soon, but I am doing this because there's a little wedge in here so you can move it camber negative and camber it positive. So the way I have it positive, which is like all the way towards us whenever I'm on my daily tires, because they're 215s. Vice, what I did just now is I pushed it all the way in, so as cambered negative as possible for my 245s for the proper fitment. So if you guys are wondering, that's why I did it this way. And what I'm doing right now is adjusting the toe just a little bit, because I know it needs to be towed out because I pushed it in. It's towed in right now, so I'm trying to tow it out as much as possible before I put it down, roll the car back and forth, and then actually do the alignment process. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, so I got the toe where I need it to be right now before we lower the car down. And I torqued this down to 65 foot-pounds, which is specification for this top knuckle bolt. And other than that, just the camber, adjusted the toe out a little bit more, so can have an easier time adjusting it. And yeah, we're all good with the prep for actually messing around with the suspension. I'm not putting on the race tires tonight. I usually do put on the spacers and the race tires, but today I'm just gonna put on the stock tires, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the race tires on and everything tomorrow. I'm just doing the alignment process today, so I don't have anything to worry about tomorrow except putting the tires on. So anyways, let's keep going. Okay, now we are done with the driver's side. Heading over to the passenger side and then align the car. Once we're done aligning the car, I'm going to pack everything up in the Fiesta. Maybe take a shower before that or just take a shower after, not too sure yet. But yeah, stay tuned for all that. Let's keep going. Okay, got a new shirt on. You know, it's freaking nighttime in Florida, but you know, nighttime in Florida is still humid and like 80 degrees. So I'm sweating my ass off in my own garage, and I should have got an industrial fan way back when. But anyways, we're about to start up the, oh, that's another reason why I would change my shirt. I don't want my seats getting all damp and sweaty because, you know, it's just nasty. So we're about to do the alignment. That's rolled back and forth. I don't know what that was. Probably my neighbor. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, and before I start anything else up with the string on the jack stands, etc., I'm gonna move this. I'm actually gonna sit down here in a second and get it to where I want to be, but you want it to get as center as possible. So I'm gonna get this where I want it and go from there. Okay, so I'm sorting through a second shirt. I am done aligning the first, well, the driver's side. I'm gonna get the passenger side, and then I think I'm gonna be done for the night, honestly, or at least take a shower, and then come back out here later to pack up. But the bugs are pretty ridiculous, you know, Florida things, and yeah, I don't want to go through another shirt. So as soon as I'm done with the passenger side, I'll let you guys know what I ended up doing. But that's probably going to be what it is. So we'll see you then. So a few of the major things you want to check for prepping your car is first your brake fluid. So, well, brake and clutch fluid. So check your brake fluid. Make sure that it's at the proper level that you need it to be. Make sure also that there's no sediment or just it looks if it looks dirty, probably change it. So just make sure there's nothing in there. And then make sure your battery, the battery, right? When you go through tech, they're gonna check the rigidity of your battery, making sure it's strapped down correctly. Just give it a little shake. If it's good to go. Your oil, obviously you're gonna want the right amount of oil in your car, so check that. And your coolant level, make sure it's within the min and the max or wherever you want it to be. But just make sure you have enough. So don't expect to overheat your car that much. I mean, if it overheats to that extent, you might have a problem. But anyways, if all your fluids are good, your battery is strapped down correctly, then should be good. Okay, done with the passenger side now, and I am sweating my ass off. All right, bugs are still swarming around everywhere, annoying the crap out of me, biting my legs and but got the alignment done, everything's stowed away. So right now, I am going to be done for the night, at least for the vlogging. Okay, so I'm gonna take a shower. Gonna go take it for a test drive, just to make sure the alignment's all good, and make sure I don't have to adjust it before I go to bed. But I'm gonna take it out, go to the gym, get back, and then take a shower, go to sleep. And I'll see you guys in the morning. So, see you then.
Okay, so we're all packed up and we are ready to go. A little bit sweaty already this morning in Florida, 78 degrees. It's 7 o'clock, I think. Yeah, just about. Yeah, 7:01. And we're heading out. So the audio quality may not be great, but it'll probably be decent. So let's go. Alright guys, might be a little bit drony. I hope it's not for you. Try to speak a little bit louder so the audio gets in. But about 20 minutes out, I'm gonna stop at a gas station, not for gas, to use the restroom. I'm gonna have about a quarter tank by the time I get there, which is perfect for day of autocross. But I just wanted to kind of talk about what I'm expecting out of today with the car, the setup, all that stuff. I recently bought some of the most popular tires right now, the 200 tread wears, the Falcon RT 660s. I bought those in the same size I've been running on the BFG Rivals. It's 245 by 40. These are ZRs, so ZR 15s. They're on my Team Dynamic 15 by 8 wheels. I have not autocrossed them yet. I've heard great things. But I mean, I broke them in on the streets, kind of heat cycled them myself just a little bit. That first drive alone felt so much better than the BFGs. It was insane, actually. It handled a little bit better grip. It felt way more grippy, a little bit more controllable, and a little bit more predictable, honestly. I mean, the BFGs are a lot more forgiving than a lot of tires out there. But these, I can't wait to use these and see what they're like. And I'll let you guys know after the autocross how I liked them, how they felt, all that stuff. I mean, I'm going to have to figure out the pressures with these and stuff. I'm going to start them out 33 square and work from there. So that's what's happening with the tires. And then I also have new brakes. The brake pads are the same as they were. They're the EBC yellow stuffs, all right? Those things are great. I mean, I've talked about them in the past, and I love them. So I also got the EBC slotted rotors, and ever since I had both those, the new pads and the new rotors installed, they're working wonders. Just on the street alone, you can feel a huge difference. So I can't wait to break them in an autocross, see how they go, or see how they go, see how they do. Wow. I'm trying to focus on the road and talk. I feel like I'm doing a pretty decent job at that. Yeah, that is what I'm looking forward to for the tires and the brakes. As far as the overall setup, I mean, what you guys have seen, I've been doing work on the suspension, fixing up the bushings and the ball joints, so I'm going to see how those handle. I mean, on the street, like I've said, handles pretty well comparatively to how it was on the street before them. So I can just imagine how much better it's going to be in autocross, and you guys are going to see that here soon. And I'm going to talk about everything: the tires, the brakes, how the suspension's doing, the bushings, steering input, just everything after the autocross is done. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a kind of like rundown as to what I'm looking forward to at this autocross. So it's kind of a good thing that I'm doing this video right now. This like a day in the life of an autocrosser, because it's kind of entailing a lot of stuff that you're gonna kind of look into as you delve deeper into the autocross world. So hope you guys kind of enjoy the inputs I'm gonna give you, and stay tuned for that info and autocross here pretty soon. See you then. How you doing? Mountjoy. Appreciate it. Thank you. You too. Put that on after
Okay, so already went through tech. I had to go through there pretty quick. Just got my tires on. So usually you should take out your spare tire and your spare stuff, but I already do that anyways. I usually just leave it at home. I always carry all my tires, so whatever. Everything's torqued down, good to go. And yeah, I'm gonna try to take you guys on a course walk, but I don't think I'm gonna make it in time. I might. The novices are still walking, so if I do, you'll see it. If not, we'll get to the autocross. All right, see you then. Thank you everybody for watching part 1 of the day in the life of an autocrosser 2-part series. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like it and leave your comments in the comment section below. If you want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and be sure to ring that bell. Also, if you want to watch part 2, go ahead and click the link at the top left, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, top right. Once again, thanks for watching and have a good one.